Hello friends, in this video we are talking about how we can reduce our file size, our video file size without losing quality. So it will be true. Let's get started to make the video size smaller. Okay friends, so first I have given the link in the description. Download these two. This is the Handbrake and this is the .NET framework. So what is .NET framework? So it is change your framework. So Handbrake is an open source transcoder. Okay, open source transcoder, and you can use that. And .NET framework is very important while operating Handbrake. Handbrake will not open if you have not latest .NET framework. So you download that both, install that. It will be very easy installation, like next and installer, all that. Okay, so I will open Handbrake software and tell you all the things that are important in that software. So there are two types. You can also click on that. Okay, click on cancel that. If you want to click on open source, and we'll do that. Okay, so you can also choose a folder with one or more files, and you can also use a single video file. So in this video I'm using a single video file, so I click on that and click on the video, and it will be here. Okay, so you can click on web optimized for better modified video. So this is the, you can say that, reference. Okay, go to dimensions, don't change any dimensions. Okay, so this is the part where you don't have any changes. Filters, no filters, video. In this file, in this tab you have to make changes. So what changes? So the changes are that you should change the video quality to x.264 and frame rate should be equal to source. So I have the videos, you can see that there is 30 FPS, so I will set it to 30. And you can also choose that constant frame rate and peak frame rate. So what is the difference between constant frame rate and peak frame rate? So constant frame rate means your FPS will be on 30, and peak frame rate means that your FPS can also down with respect to your video, and also go to up. Okay, so this is the quality. So everyone reduce the file size wants better quality without losing quality. So in this section you have, if you go upward, the video size will be greater. Okay, the downward you go, your video size will be smaller. Okay, so the more smaller or not means that the video quality will remain the same. It will also affect your video quality. Okay, so you have to, this preset, okay, default is 22, so I will recommend you to put it on 20, and you can also read that sections if I want you to see that. Okay, so this is, I put it to 20, so 20 is the best for this rate. Okay, now we have completed all important instructions on video. We go to audio tab, so you can make changes on audio tab. You can choose, you should choose AAC codec and bitrate. 160 bitrate is not a good choice in 2019 as a voice. Okay, you should choose 256 or 320 for your videos. I will recommend you to these both. Okay, so I choose 320. Okay, mix down should be stereo. Okay, go to summary. So these two tabs are important for us, all video and audio tab, not any other tab. Okay, go to summary and click on this browse where you want to save your video, your encoded video. So I will name as UTech Tips. So that's my channel name actually. Okay, click on save, subscribe my channel. Okay, so you can also choose your presets that is built in. Some of the presets are built in Handbrake. You can use general. Now it's using fast 1080p 30. You can also choose others. Okay, So you go to web, and you can see that Gmail Medium, Gmail 12, Vimeo, YouTube, 4K, 2.5K, 1080p, 60, and you can also make your own preset by going to custom preset. When you're done all your settings, click on add, name, anything you want to the preset. Okay, I click you, okay, and click on add, and you can see that the you actually you has been added to our custom presets. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to only click on starting code, and the video will be starting coding. And if you want to see a preview, you can click on preview, and it will be a preview of your video, what your video like to be. Okay, so I will click on starting code, but I have encoded that video on same settings. You can also try that. This is a true way. Okay, so this is the my YouTube video, and you can see the file size is 204 megabytes. Okay, it's a 9-minute video, size of 204 megabytes. Okay, so this is a compressed file size of 34.7 MB of the same length, everything same video, but of less storage. Okay, so thank you very much.